Today in this video we learn about how to delete TikTok video step by step. Watch complete video, like, subscribe and comment on the video. Let's get start practice. First of all, I open TikTok. I open that. Here is the profile. Click on profile TikTok. There is my video. I want to delete this one video. I pause that. YouTube video TikTok. It's a short video. I want to delete this. First of all, click on three dot. Here is three dot and scroll, and here is written delete option. I want to delete this video. Here is two video. One video is deleted. If you find this video help you, please kindly subscribe my channel and like, comment. If you want more information, search www.aboutskills.com. I meet you in next video.